Welcome back. From the previous brainstorm, you should have prioritized 3 different challenges and opportunities that your team finds most relevant. Copy-paste them in this canvas in these 3 different boxes. In order to shift from a problem mindset to a solution mindset, use the how may we question technique. What is a how may we question? It's a popular method used in design thinking to trigger creative thinking and problem solving. In order to learn how to do this, use the example provided to really see how a problem can be transformed into an how may we question. Once you have your 3 how may we questions here in these 3 different boxes, use 3 votes per person to select which one of these 3 how may we you want to move forward with in the rest of the workshop. Once you have that, copy paste it in this outline box.